Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you can learn how to use visibility in your Flutter project. First you need to visibility visible power. Visible power is boolean value. Set boolean visible power equal true. If you set your boolean power false, visibility is false, don't show any content. When visible power is true, then show visible content such as card view. This card view show when your visible power is true. If your visible power false, don't show this card view. You can use replacement in your project. How you can use? Just call replacement. You can use another column or another widget. When visible power is true, then show this card. When visible power is false and replacement using, you can show another content or another column, another card, another text, etc. Boolean value visible power equal to true. We set floating action button. Just when user click the floating action button, visible power is not equal to visible power, and that means visible when user click floating action button, visibility is false. Then don't show card this card. Then show replacement widget. When again click floating action button, then visibility true and show this card, and don't show this replacement column widget. Maybe you understand. If you have any problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Please support me. If you new Android developer or Flutter app developer, please watch this playlist video. Here is a lot of example for Flutter project.